So as Indian Oil, we are extremely delighted to be a part of this rally. You stop him first. As Indian Oil, we are extremely delighted to be part of this rally, the Duchess Club All Women's Rally. And I think we are sponsoring this event. And two of our branded fuels, XP95 and Extra Green, I think they should be promoted in a big way because they have got a lot of environmental benefits. The amount of carbon dioxide released per litre is very less. So I'm happy this initiative has been taken by Tamil Nadu State Office, and I wish this rally all the very best. And I'm made to understand this is the 23rd edition of this rally. So my best wishes to them for many more years and decades to come. Thank you very much.
வணக்கம். எங்களுடைய சேர்மன் அவர்கள் இப்பொழுது என்ன சொன்னார்கள் என்றால், இந்த ஆல் விமன் பவர் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி டச்சஸ் கிளப் சார்பாக இந்தியன் ஆயில் இது 23வது வருஷம் ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. இதில் வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா க்ரீன்கிற எங்களுடைய ஸ்பெஷல் டீசல், என்வரன்மெண்டல் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி டீசலையும் XP95யும் பெட்ரோல் அதையும் ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் ரொம்ப வழிவகுத்து அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். ஓகே, எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறது, இந்தியன் ஆயில் இதில் கலந்துக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப மிக்க மகிழ்ச்சி. தேங்க்யூ.
And welcome to everyone in Chennai. இன்னைக்கு வந்து 23rd edition of the All Women Duchess Car Rally நடக்குது. And this is sponsored by Indian Oil. Indian Oil வந்து நமக்கு சப்போர்ட்டாக இருக்காரு இந்த 20 வருஷம் மேலே, because I think they also believe in the same vision that we believe in. We believe in women sport, women empowerment and women drivers. இந்த 20 வருஷம் என்ன பார்த்தாச்சுன்னா, the women drivers have also increased. So it's also for the confidence of the women. So we, Sujata, myself, Rati, Anu Sachdev, Anu Agarwal, we all belong to this Duchess Club, which is a women's organization.
And the rally is organized and supported professionally by Amit Arora of AA's Motorsports Solutions, and it's registered under Federation of Motorsports Club of India. Indian Oil, as Nina said, is our main sponsor. We have Ramco, Kaveri, JJ Jewelry Mart and Cars India as our co-sponsors, and we have many prize sponsors. They can win a lot of attractive prizes today, and the teams have come dressed up beautifully in the theme Madras Madras.
And because we all love our Chennai, Madras, whatever you call it. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து when en route old monuments எல்லாமே they will be covering. So on the route, secret route தான், but we have said that they have to cover all the monuments on the way. It is ரொம்ப
informative,
precision rally also. It runs on time,
distance and speed.
So
it's a TSD rally.
It's a TSD rally, but safer rally. You do not have to exceed more than maximum 30 kilometers. So it's a safe thing. Everyone has to wear the seat belts. So the safety we will be sending people.
And the winners, the all over winners are going to go for the national rally of TSD. They are getting a free entry to the NSD rally.
Where is the end point?
The beginning and end is always at Savira. They'll come back for lunch here. I think it's about 2 hours rally. Today we have Suhasini Maniratnam, who's our honorary member, who has been with us for almost all the rallies to come for the flag off. And we had Arun Vijay, actor, the young dashing actor, so he also was with us. And we had all our sponsors with us. Mr. Vaidya, who's the chairman
of Indian Oil Corporation India.
So, Nalla Bodhu, thank you very much for the support.
Thank you.